Ludwig helping me weed. Come on, Ludi, get that tree. Pull that out. Come on. Come on, Ludi. Look at what he did. It's amazing. Come on, Ludi. Come on, Ludi. Look what he did. I don't know what to say. If he can't find a stick, he's gonna make here. You can have this is a good looking stick. He's gonna make it at least he's not bothering the pine trees. Here, Ludi, here. Come on, Ludi, pull that tree out. He knows that tree's oh, we don't really need it there. It's right in the way of the garden. You can have that tree. Have you ever seen anything like it? I mean, this tree needs to come out. Like I said, it's in the way of the garden and the garden area, so it will come out. Well, I don't know if it's a tree. I don't know what it is. A bush. All done for today? But look at the damage. Look at the damage you did. Look at that. Look at that. That's a thick root in there. I can't believe it. You are powerful. Ludi, instead of going, why don't you just grab one of these smaller things here? At least. No, I want the root and all. Did you get it? Are you done pulling? He's got bleeding gums and everything, but he don't care. I don't think you're going to be able to manage. All done? Well, I think he wants to own his own. Oh, see, you got a branch. Yeah, you did. Here. There you go. Ta-da! See? That's a good stick. We'll just pull that all off there. Okay? And you got yourself a good stick. Good job. Oh, good. Are you all done? Look, you've got 3 really great sticks here. Oh my goodness, look at this. You've done enough now. You don't need any more. You've got plenty of sticks to play with. Yeah, Ludi, this is enough. Look at this stick. This is a perfectly good stick. See? Look, here, I'll throw this. It's perfect. See? Here, try. Here, ready? Woo! All right. Okay. See? Happy? Happy! All right. You're already eating it. Well, that's okay. We got plenty more where that comes from. All right. If you don't have a stick, you just make one. Just get your own. Remember when we were kids, your mom would say, get yourself a stick or a branch. Did you not behave yourself today? Well, kind of the same principle. All right, I'm going to clean these up for you so we have more sticks to play with. All right? You say goodbye to everybody? Okay. Ludi! Ludi, say goodbye. Say have a good day.